are back at you for another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris pirates.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is Landscape Debris Pickup Day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. And Teddy and I replaced the brake shoes on the golf cart this week. So we might not get the plants any faster, but we'll get them safer, right? Yeah, all right. Well, we got to get going because all those all those waste management landscape debris trucks are out there to crush up all of our plants if we don't get them soon. Yeah, that's right. So we're going to get going, and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good. All right, we got our first score here. What do you see over there? A basketball? Well, it looks like it's popped. All right, our first real plant score, though. These 2 tea plant cuttings. Teddy's going to grab them up for us. All right, there's our competition right there. He's already crushed up the plants on this side of the road. Now he's coming for these. I guess we're gonna have to turn around and find another road, right guys? Yeah, all right. He beat us to this street, he always does. All right, we just rolled up on this massive pile of ficus here, rubber tree. Holy cow. This is an easy one to plant from cuttings. Teddy's gonna snap some off. Careful, bud, it does have like kind of a white latex fluid when you snap it.
Should I just cut it?
Yeah, sure, there's some cutters in there. We'll get a couple pieces of this for sure. All right, there's a yucca. We spotted a yucca in the middle of that pile. Can Teddy get it? Can Teddy get it? He's gonna have to go around. It looks like a good one. Can he get it? Can he get it? Oh, I might have to get out and help him. Oh, he's got it. All right, we're gonna load this up. All right, we just rolled up on some prime firewood here. I think we're gonna grab up a couple of these logs for sure. Yeah. All right, Teddy just spotted some nice medium-sized bromeliads. Oh, there is 2 different kinds. Looks like there's 3 different kinds maybe. All right, we'll pick through this and get the best ones. All right, looks like we just scored some corn plant maybe.
Yeah. Let's see.
Ugh. Yep. All right, we'll grab up 1 or 2 of those. All right, we just rolled up on some beautiful giant green bromeliads here. They look spiky, don't they, buddy?
Yeah.
He's gonna try and grab a little one. It looks like it might be a whole big clump. We'll see if we can just separate one of them.
Guys.
What'd you see, Raymond?
Fire.
You saw a fire truck. Did it have its lights on?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It must be an emergency. All right, Teddy spotted some good bromeliads. A nice little clump. Oh, in a pot. All right, we'll take it. Nice. Hey guys. What bromeliads?
No running.
No.
Little ones.
Oh yes, we got them. Yeah, we got them.
They were in a pot.
They were in a pot?
All right, they're out running while we're looking for plants, right guys?
Yeah.
Oh, Reese is out of here.
Run, Reese, run. Yucca.
All right, we just rolled up on a giant, is it a yucca?
Yep.
That's not a tea plant, that's a yucca? Oh my gosh. All right.
Told ya.
All right, we gotta get it. It's huge. I guess we'll strap it on top of the golf cart. Whoa. All right, guys, we got some good stuff, didn't we?
Yeah.
Stoked. We got a bunch of stuff there, and we got something real special on top of the golf cart. So we're gonna head home, and we'll show everybody all of our fun. All right, once again, we made it back. Yeah, we got some good stuff today.
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we? I think the prize is on top of the golf cart, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get this down. Yeah, I'll help you get it down. You get the back, babe. Or you get that side, I'll get this side. Let's go this way with it.
Is it 1?
Go this way, this way, this way. Yeah, there you go.
Holy moly.
Yeah, so we got
there's roots too.
Yeah, we got a giant, you guys can see it's like a purple Dracaena. And at first, oh my gosh, look at it. Holy cow. It's almost as tall as the house. So at first I was like, oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. But you know what? We have one of these.
We do?
Bayonet
We do.
yucca.
No, yeah, look
But
where it
it's
is.
red.
Come here, I'll show you where it is.
Oh.
We bought a teeny tiny one of these that I just remembered. Probably like 2 years ago and planted it here, and it's done nothing. There it is. It's one of the most pathetic plants in our garden here, but I think that's the same
You know, when I saw that, I was thinking, that it could possibly
Yeah,
be
I
that
think it's
one.
the same plant. It's
Crazy.
some kind of purple.
It's gonna take forever to grow.
Some kind of purple Dracaena. But anyways, that one's been in the ground for 2 years, so we jumped ahead a couple years here and got this
A couple years.
8-foot tall one.
Yeah. This
Here,
is
hold
gonna-
on to this for a minute. Let's get a measurement on it. Let's just see how big it is. We'll pull a measuring tape out real quick.
I mean, Teddy, lie down. How tall are you?
Almost 5 feet.
All right, here we go. Oh, 10 feet. Oh my
Wow.
gosh. Holy cow.
That's crazy.
So that'll be like an instant, privacy plant. All right.
I think I want to put it in our little garden right here.
This?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's not going to shade anything out.
All right. All right, let's start pulling. Let's show them what else we got.
Should we take the cans out?
Nah, just pull stuff out of
There's
them.
another yucca.
Oh yeah, that was a big one too.
So I don't know, this is definitely right here. This is definitely a bayonet yucca right here. And I
Yeah,
would say
and look
this
at-
plant does look like a yucca, doesn't
yeah,
it?
look how similar the trunks are. I mean, they're not exactly
Pretty
the same.
sure when
but
we
they're
bought
pretty
it, when we
close.
bought that purple one, they called it a Dracaena. But
Purple one does not look like this one. I feel like
Yeah,
it's
but it
bendier
was-
leaves.
It was Home Depot. Sometimes
yeah,
it's like
seriously.
green foliage,
Yeah, I know.
you know. They
It
don't,
was $5 at Home Depot. I was like, oh, I don't have that plant.
Yeah.
We'll have to get that one. So.
they're not always spot on.
All right, so we got a bayonet yucca there, and
Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
this one does look just like a yucca, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
All right, what else we got?
Okay, I'm gonna maybe try to get this big vermilion.
This big
out.
spiky,
Get
big
that out.
spiky giant bromeliad right there. It's a really healthy specimen.
Yeah.
And it's got a lot of roots. There's actually several of those in the can, but we just grabbed that one. So
Red sister tea plant?
yeah, these aren't they're kind of sorry little cuttings.
Yeah.
Here,
They're honestly not my favorite of the tea
Yeah.
plants. I do like how they add a nice fuchsia color.
but they do, yeah, and you can root these guys from cuttings. So
Uh-huh.
And here's a
what you
corn
got?
plant.
Corn plant. We got a corn plant. There was a pile of these too. We didn't take too many of them because we already have lots of corn plants. But
Yeah.
yeah, all right, cool.
I believe this is an agave.
Oh, with
The hitchhiker.
Wait, hold on that. Hold on that one, Teddy. So you
Yeah.
think this is an agave?
I do. I think we have one.
That is a spiky
Looks
plant
like
right
it's been
there.
out of the ground for a while.
It does. It feels a little toasty. It needs to get watered.
Yeah.
I mean, those plants are pretty tough, but still, it does feel kind of toasty. All right, what you got, kiddo?
this we don't have this.
We don't have that.
I don't think we do have
Look,
this
green,
variety.
purple.
Yeah.
Like we have a smaller variety of that one. That's like
Yeah.
the leaves are like that, but not.
So anyone watching this might be wondering why we pulled this sorry little plant right here, but the whole point of this is to get this in the ground and have it shoot up pups for us. Not necessarily to have this one be a pretty ornamental plant, but they always shoot up pups for us. So we'll plant this and hopefully we'll get some new little plants off of it. So, what else you got there, kiddo?
Lots of these.
Oh yeah, I think we already have this one, but I do like this one. It's a good size and it's got this nice striped variegated pattern to it. I like that one. Kind of looks like this corn plant a little bit. No, this one doesn't. No.
And we can tuck these little ones into the spikes on the cabbage palms
Yep.
too, just like
Yep.
air plants.
Yeah.
And we've had them in ours for what, a year?
Yeah,
or two?
yeah. They're basically air plants. I mean, you can see these have roots on them,
Well,
but
air
you can
plants
treat
are
them as air
bromeliad
plants.
family.
Basically.
Air plants are in the bromeliad
Yes.
family.
Yeah.
So
They're all.
I know where this came from because I ran past it.
All right, what you got? Wait, hold on. One at a time. Who's going first?
Teddy.
All right, Teddy's got some ficus here.
Rubber trees?
Rubber tree, and if you guys remember earlier in the video, there was a pile of this bigger than our golf cart. We could have started a rubber tree farm if we wanted to. All right, what you got?
We don't always find potted plants.
Oh yeah, look
but
at that. But look at these bromeliads. I don't think we have this
We
variety.
don't have this kind.
Nothing too special about it, but
It might
it's-
have a really pretty flower.
Wow, it
Actually,
is.
I've found that the really vivid leaves, kind of bromeliads,
Uh-huh.
don't have as showy of flowers as the
Plain.
plain
Yeah.
green ones.
Yeah.
Plain green ones have cool
In fact,
flowers.
we have a plain green one. Yeah, look at this one down here. There's a plain green one down here that has a beautiful flower on it. Right back here.
Oh yeah, I love that.
So you
one.
can see these plants themselves aren't too showy, but just look at the flower on it.
And the flower with the green plant makes it look cool.
Yeah, it does.
And that one,
Super
we'll
cool.
get flowers on that one all winter long.
Yep.
And
Yep.
that flower is probably 2 weeks old.
Yep.
3 weeks
They
old.
make good potted flowers, don't they?
Yes, when I cut them and bring them
Or
inside, they last 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, cut.
They don't
sorry,
last
cut.
as long
I
as
meant
out.
cut flowers. Cut flowers.
Cut flowers, yeah, flower arrangements.
All right, let's go. Let's see what else we got. Was that all? Is there anything else in those buckets up there?
Firewood.
Yeah.
Was that the last thing?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, so you guys remember we passed that pile that had a bunch of firewood in it, and I said I was gonna grab a bunch up. You can see I got this one right here, and it was super heavy and took up half of this can. So we decided to maybe go back with the truck.
Maybe we should go back with the truck because we just ran out of firewood. And,
yeah, I did.
And we cannot buy firewood.
I know. Coming from North Georgia, we actually have property up in the mountains, and chopping firewood's one of my big hobbies up there. So to come down here and buy firewood from Home Depot, I just feel like
It's a disgrace.
I feel like such a city boy. Even though I probably am, but anyways, I do feel like it's a disgrace to buy firewood. So we got that, and we'll probably go back and get the. It was nice how they cut them into those nice log sections.
I know, it's like perfect because we use this chimney.
Right,
here,
we don't
so
use our fireplace.
Short pieces.
Right.
Is really what.
We do have a fireplace, but we don't use it. I don't think we've ever used that fireplace, have we? Since we've been here, I think there's still a Christmas tree in it from when we purchased the house. So. But we did pretty good today. I'm super stoked about this one right here.
Yeah.
And
I
we
wanna
got
put
this.
that down there.
I mean, we got this. Me and Teddy got that on the last street that we went down. I mean,
think I know which house you got it at.
it's the one. I think it's that one that we always get tea plants from.
Oh, it was.
They always have like a. They always have like a trash can full of beautiful tea plant cuttings. And today they had that sitting out. So. All right.
That was a score. That was the score of the day.
I was right.
It was.
It's a yucca.
Yeah, I thought it was a tea plant when we went zooming by.
Yeah,
the golf
when I
cart.
saw you guys-
I said earlier we replaced the brakes on the golf cart, but it still doesn't break instantly, you know, because it's lifted,
it's
I guess,
drum
and
brakes,
big
probably.
tires. Yeah, and
You know,
you only
disc
have the
brakes
brakes on the back too. So we went flying by this, and I couldn't just jam on the brakes to look at it because, well, I did jam on the brakes, but we ended up 3 houses down from it, so we had to turn around and go back. But
Man, that's a really cool vermilion.
it is.
I like the green on one side, purple on the other.
Yeah, it's cool. All right.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the adventure today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you here, just post down below. If you did enjoy the adventure, maybe you consider subscribing to the channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
Your plants are gonna catch on fire.
Oh, no, your plants are going to catch on fire. Or maybe that guy that's working next door with that beepy machine is going to run over all of them. So, yeah, so maybe just avoid all that and consider subscribing to the channel. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.